Jatai Feather Styling Razor Replacement Blades. 10-pack replacement blades. Patented blade guard. In hands-free safety dispenser. Stainless steel frame that will never warp, bend or corrode. Feather has set the standard in manufacturing the sharpest and safest razor cutting blades in the industry. The Feather Texturizing Blade is unique in that it cuts hair in small sections, and only removes half of the hair, which creates volume and texture. The blade fits snug into the handle and does not chatter or move when cutting. Although surgically sharp, these blades are very safe for you and your client with its patented blade guard, which prevents the guard from moving and exposing the blade. This also prevents hair from clogging between the guard and blade. Changing the blade is easy and safe. When the blade gets dull, put the blade into the blade disposal case, available as open stock and included in all kits. To replace, slide the handle onto the new blade and remove from the blade dispenser. With our blade changing system, never touch the blade with your fingers. It is completely safe, easy and fast. Top reviews from the United States. For us hairy beasts, these are great. A couple of times a year when I can't stand it anymore, my wife gets out the blades and cleans my back. It's a disgusting mess and some think that's embarrassing, but these things take off back hair like warm butter drips off hot rolls. I really like these, they do a really great job.